The experience at St. Paul College is amazing. All my professors, my chefs, are very good at what they do and very experienced. They know like what the real world is going to do and like how to prepare me for that. And they've given me a lot of opportunities with that too.
St. Paul College I came to back in 1990 in their culinary program and was very successful, and when I found out that they had a degree program is when I returned. They already have been a part of my dreams and my future. By coming back here and connecting where I started and connecting where I'm going to end, I hope that I will be involved in this college at some point with just volunteering or whatever in this culinary program, because there's just so much you can do.
If you're thinking about changing jobs, you know, it allows you to have plenty of options, and there's a lot more room for vertical movement as opposed to staying stagnant in one spot.
It's a very good experience, I'd say, because of kind of the diversity of, you know, the students from either, you know, age-wise to where they're from in the community, or, you know, race or whatever. It's really, you get a lot of good connections with each other, learning from each other.
It's interesting. I learn international cuisine, but at the same time, who I am, I try to balance two different worlds, as being indigenous and having my own type of cuisine. I do what I can, and I'm learning a lot.
Well, I came to St. Paul College. The first reason is I got a diploma in business management in Colorado at Community College of Denver, and I wanted to accentuate that with the culinary arts program. That part was really the preparation, and then this is the opportunity, and then you put them together, as someone said in the past, and the success. When you feel there's something that needs to be done in a positive way in life, and you have a strong feeling that you can do it, do it. Just do it.